Hey guys, Destiny here. Spring is the perfect time for lawn care, whether that's starting a new business or you've been in it a while. So in this video, we'll be going over some essential marketing materials. First, we have yard signs. This is our 12 by 18. This is also our most popular design, something real simple. We still have these for the $100 for $99 special. So you can definitely invest in these. This is very affordable for beginners, just because you're not investing a lot of money in marketing, but eventually you will get the turnaround on that. Or you can upgrade to 18 by 24 full color. This gives you a lot more room for larger text in your logo, and this is really good for those who have a full color logo and you want to keep your marketing on brand. And next we have postcards, door hangers, and business cards. So for postcards, this is our 4x6, and this gives you a lot more room to put a list of services and maybe a picture or two. These are really good to pass around when you are doing work or when you're kind of just around town looking to market your business. And then you can do door hangers, same thing, but you can add a lot more before and after pictures, and your list of services can be a little more lengthy. And then you can add a coupon or two just to kind of get the sale going. And then of course, always invest in business cards. Business cards are just very essential for any business. When you're on the go, you can just pass them along and pass that information. Next, we have car and truck magnets. This is our 12 by 18. You do get free design with these, so you can go all out with your logo and information. We also have 18 by 24 and bigger options depending on the vehicle that you use for your business. Lastly, you should always invest in an on-brand t-shirt. This makes you look really good and professional on the work site. We do have the cotton option, but for someone who is working outside, we do recommend the polyester. It's very thin, very soft, and it just works really well in heat. And we also have these options in screen print or embroidery. So for more information on these items, you can check out our website, and the link will be in the description below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as follow us on all social platforms.